Hey guys, how's it going? It's Ray from CMA. You're back in the shop with me again. So I've got all the material taken off the bottom of the door and I am not happy with what I see. This patch right here, look at that, yummy. You can see right here it's less than adequate. I am not happy with that at all. The holes for the moldings were welded in and it's just horrible. The back side of it, you can see that the weld strands came through. It looks like little sea urchins back there. This is rotted in here. It's bulging up. You can, I don't know if you see that, but it's this pinhole. It's soft. So the time that it's going to take me to do the work to fix this isn't cost efficient to buying a door skin. So I'm going to buy a door skin because to take off all this material, there's like 3 layers of paint on this car plus the primer. Any body filler, which I did see some. So it's just more cost efficient and it's just a better job for the car and the customer to put a door skin on. So that's the way I'm going. This and the other door. Both doors are getting skinned. So I'm not going to be able to show you how to do fabrication here on the corners of this door or that door, but I can say that that 71 way over there is going to also need patchwork on the corners of the doors. And being an RT, you're not going to get skins for that, so that will get repaired. So at that time, I'll give you a tutorial and show you how to do patchwork on doors. So I guess that's it for now. I am going to get on to the next part of this project, probably the roof. And until then, guys, you have a blessed night. We'll talk to you soon. See ya. Bye.